In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in PayPal. If you've created an invoice, by mistake sent the wrong details, or simply need to stop that request from going out, PayPal makes it fairly quick to cancel it once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to find your invoice listed and cancel the one you no longer need. To begin, open PayPal and go to your account summary page. From there, click on Create an Invoice. Even though we're canceling an existing invoice rather than making a new one, this is the entry point that takes you into PayPal's invoicing area. If this feels a little counterintuitive, don't worry, that's normal, and you'll be redirected to the right section in just a moment. Once the invoice creation page opens, look for the option that says Back to Invoices and click it. This takes you all from the invoice editor and into the main invoice management screen, where you can view the invoices you've already created. This is the area where PayPal lets you manage sent, draft, and other invoice statuses, so it's the right place to handle cancellations. When you're on the invoices page, find the invoice you want to cancel. Next to that invoice, click on the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions for that specific invoice, so if you don't immediately see the cancel option on the main screen, the three dots are where you'll want to check. After opening that menu, click on Cancel Invoice. Once you do that, PayPal will cancel the selected invoice, so it's no longer active. Before clicking, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct invoice. Especially if you manage several at once or send invoices regularly. One helpful tip is to review the invoice status after canceling, just to make sure the change has been applied successfully. That way, you can avoid confusion later and know that the invoice has been properly updated in your records, and that's all it takes to cancel an invoice in PayPal. The process is simple once you know that you need to enter the invoicing section first, return to your invoice list, open the three-dot menu, and choose the cancel option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your PayPal invoices more confidently.